we ought to educate homeowners a little bit about the difference between workmanship warranty and the manufacturer warranty.
I love that.
That's something every roofing material buyer needs to know and really know it well.
You know, Lyons, having been here for over 30 years, they've developed processes and everything to really make sure they are addressing and becoming better and better and better. And one thing I noticed from 10 years ago, looking at some of the estimates that they had, is that that verbiage was somewhat, I wouldn't say misleading, but certainly people wouldn't understand the difference.
No,
so
go ahead and say misleading.
Yeah. So we've gone to great lengths now to make sure that we explain the difference between a workmanship warranty, which again is how the roof has been put on. Has it been put on based off of the manufacturer specifications? Was it done properly? Versus the material warranty, which is from the manufacturer. And that is, did the material hold up as it was supposed to, or was there a flaw in the material similar to the tile we just talked about?
And that's not just the roofing industry. You know, that's a big deal. And across all industries, we're actually working on a artificial turf company that somebody was complaining, hey, I had a 15-year warranty. Why am I paying for this? Well, it was a manufacturer defect. The manufacturer sent all new artificial turf, but it was 4 years later and the labor warranty was 2 years. So the labor to pull that out and replace it, you know, customer felt blindsided by it, but you know, it was in
the paperwork.
You know, you got to take the time to read your contract.
Yeah.
It's the last thing anybody does. We're so used to just click agree, scroll, click agree, scroll, click agree,
Agreed.
and just I hope it all goes well.